Hey everyone, we got another Chorokyu in here today. This time it's of a more modern Nissan Skyline safety car. And no packaging, I bought it used. It says GT 2001 safety car, okay. And so is there a date down there? '01 is when this toy was made, right here. Yeah, okay. So this is, I'm gonna guess this is part of a set actually. There's probably a set of these Grand Touring race cars, and this was probably in that set. Alright, well, we'll start back here. We got some clear, transparent exhaust pipes because, the base is transparent. And this is a pullback toy, so you can actually run it into a wall very quickly. Standard construction, you have a screw in the front and a tab in the back. The tires are rubbery and they're still in good shape. Standard 5-spoke wheels here. And the whole body is also clear, I think. And then it's just painted silver. So the taillights are painted red, which is nice. Nice tight panel gaps being a plastic body. And here's the transparency you can see up top. It's pretty darkly smoked, but you can see the wind-up motor right there. This is kind of neat. The little safety light bar there. No additional paint though. And then this is literally a physical sticker. It's funny. And then some floating printed on wiper blades. And then the Tampo print of this well, it's not really sponsorship, is it? But anyways, that text is very legible. And then the Nissan badge, no text, and then a blank license plate area. These recesses are nice, but no black paint. And then they left the headlights clear as well. Over on this side, Nismo is printed on the back pillar. Yeah, nice legible printing. I don't see a fuel filler, but anyways, some nice little door handle details, recessed as well. And I guess that's it. So not much to it. Alright, I printed out some 5 spokes with some brakes, but the brakes obviously spin with the wheels. And the reason why is you have this Skyline with 5 spokes here. Now I assume the wheels on this are white because the colorway is white and red. But this being a silver car, I decided to paint my wheels silver. And that's the only image I could find of a safety car of this generation of Skyline. It's not to say that a silver one didn't exist, it's just not a photograph of one. Alright, so let's take a look at some other cars here. Here's a regular, oh boy, why'd that stop? Yeah, I think that connector's going bad. Hold on. Yeah, this is the best turntable I have, but it has a micro C connector, so I had to bend it back into tightness. Anywho, here's a road-going version, and I must have 3D printed my own wheels. But I honestly can't remember. Or these wheels came off of another Chorokyu, it's hard to say. I'm using putty, so this one's all slammed to the ground. This is from some Kodawari set, I think. That's what those badges on the white windshield are. Some sort of tax stamps and stuff. Alright, so another safety car. We have a Mercedes E-Class wagon. And another Mercedes, the SLK. And then we have an R34 Skyline safety car, and I 3D printed some mesh wheels for that one. So, looks like maybe it's the same light bar. Yes, it is. Alrighty. Give you a top view. There should be reviews on all these other ones. You can just look it up. Alright, well that's it for today. We will see you the next time we do a Chorokyu. Bye now.